Good afternoon, students. I am here again present in front of you with a common topic which is English. This is the very big problem to the students who are studying in, whether they are studying in the government school or in private school. The students who are studying in the government school are far behind in English language. They even cannot know how to write their address in English. So we can say that they are very poor in English. But in my teaching duration, I also seen that in private school many students who are appearing who appeared in 9th or 10th class also hesitate to speak English. They know English better, but they cannot express themselves in front of somebody or in front of class or at the stage, because there something is lacking. The lacking is only one thing, is practice. If the practice should be done properly, everyone can speak English, because we know that our out of 6 books, 5 books are in English. We write theories in English, we write answers in English, we summarize the poem in English. Then how can we not speak in English? It is very simple thing. If we try, if we make an environment to speak in English, start a group in which we try to talk in English, so we steadily learn to speak English in front of anybody. English is not a very tough language. If we practice regularly at least 2 hours, we can easily learn English. I think there is 4 things to learn English very easily. What is that thing? First is listening. When we start listening English language, English news, English speeches, all the English information conceived to our mind, then we start speaking. Practice with another person. Don't worry about the mistake. You are committing mistake. Nobody will kill you if you have commit a mistake in English. So speak as you want, what you want in English, and as you know. Don't worry about the mistake. And third is reading. Reading is the most important thing. Read thoroughly the chapter you are reading, whether it is syllabus or a storybook or novel or newspaper. Read it thoroughly aloud, at least half an hour daily. It will create an environment in your mind, and slowly it goes into your subconscious mind. Then you will start speaking English. And fourth thing is writing. Make a diary, a dear diary, in which write your daily activities in the before sleeping. In the diary mention all the activities, all the goods and bads in the diary in English, and keep it secret. These are the 4 steps: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. There is no other formula to learn English. We all study grammar. Grammar is a way to write English correctly, but it cannot make you fluent in English. You should be practice more and more to speak fluently in front of anybody. So 4 method we must apply to speak in English. Students, I am also going to start a class especially for 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. at my home residence in my coaching season classes. The students who wanted to enroll the English classes can call me or send me on my WhatsApp message. I am going to launch a course which will last only 6 months, and I will try my best to teach you English and make you fluent in English in these 6 months. After 6 months, you are very confident. You will be very confident to speak English in front of anybody. I think so. I will prove myself. I think so. You have seen that I am also hesitating because I am also living in this society where 23 hours we live in the Hindi society, Hindi language society. We read or watch something English at least 1 hour. Then how can we speak English? So, come a student, I appeal to the students, come and join us. We will create an environment, and you together will learn English and speak fluently at the global munch. So I am Santosh Kumar Singh signing off, and I wish that you will enroll my English speaking course. And I am not doing this for sake of money. I want to learn English and want to make another learn English, because my fee is very minimum. So thank you so much. We will meet again in next video. If I have committed any mistake, so excuse me, because I am also a teacher, or my native language is not English, but I am trying, and one day I will prove myself. I will speak fluently without any hesitation. Thank you so much.